So hello guys, this is the second part of the operator topic. You have to watch the first video, means previous video, to continue from this. Next is identity operator. Identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. In this we will use is or is not. Is used to if the reference on both sides points to the same object it determines to be true, and the second is not if the reference on both sides do not print the same object it determines to be true. Like example, let's assume a rose and tulip, and second variable b is equals to rose same tulip, then c is equals to a. Let print a is c, then we will get true because a is same as c. We get true. And now print a is not c. It get false because a is equals to c. And a is b. True, false. Because a and b both are the different variables. Now print a equals to b. Now it came true. Next, membership operator. The membership of a value inside a Python data structure can be verified using Python membership operators. The result is true if the data or value in the data structure, otherwise it returns false. The operators are in or not in, like x is equals to Python, Java, HTML, JavaScript. Okay. Now we have to print rows in X. It returns false because there is no rows in the X, and if we print HTML in X, it will return true. And same if we return print HTML not in, it will return false because there is HTML in X. And if we return not in, it will return true because it's true that rows is not in the X. Next, bitwise operator. The two operands value are processed bit by bit by the bitwise operator. The examples of bitwise operators are bitwise OR, bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift, and negation. Like or bitwise AND. Result bit 1 if both operands bits are 1, otherwise it result bits 0. Means that A equals to 10, B is equals to 4, print A and B. Next we'll take print A or B, then print negation. In, then we print XOR operation. This is in AND it will print 0, in OR it will print 14, and in negation it print minus 11, in XOR it print 14. The AND operation means bitwise AND. This operation performs a bitwise AND between the binary representation of A and B. For A is equal to 10, the binary is 1010, and for B it's 0100. The result A and B is 0. Binary, it means binary 0000. In bitwise AND, the result has a 1 at the position only if both A and B have 1 at that position. In bitwise OR, this operation performs a bitwise OR between the binary representation of A and B. For 10, it 1010, and for B means 4 010. The result of A and OR is 14, means binary 1110. In bitwise OR, the result has the 1 at the position of either A and B, or both have a 1 at that position. In binary NOT means negation A, this operation performs a bitwise NOT on the binary representation of A. For A is equals to 10, the binary is 1010. The result is minus 11. In bitwise NOT, each bit is inverted, means 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Then bitwise XOR. This operation performs a bitwise XOR between the binary representation of A and B. For A, as we know, 1010, and for 4, we also know that 010, 0100. The result is an A XOR B is 14, which denoted as 1110 in binary. In between XOR, the result has a 1 at the position of its bits. At that position in A and B both are different. Yes, keep in mind that the result of bitwise NOT is represented as a signed integer in Python. The binary representation of minus 11 is obtained by taking 2 complement of the binary representation of 11, means of this print negation A. So this is the end of the operator topic. In next video we will learn about list and tuple. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comments. Thank you.